So, as an improvising pianist, I attempt to reinvigorate the sense of discovery by developing improvising vocabularies for unusual keyboard instruments. Over the last few years, I've used an Indian harmonium, a modified free bass accordion, a prepared vintage electric piano, a dulcitone, prepared toy pianos, Hammond organs, and so on and so forth. And it's been really interesting exploring the possibilities of these instruments and trying to develop a vocabulary for them. As well as a renewed sense of instrumental impulse, it also raises questions regarding the way new sounds are interpreted. And I'd just like to talk now about the toy piano, which is something I've brought with me and something I've been using on albums. In recent years, the toy piano has become the focus of various festivals, symposia, commissioning schemes and performance careers. There are toy piano specialists now, not just Margaret and Parrott. However, these developments remain largely in the field of composition-based music. The instrument, I would say, is still rare in improvising music, although I am discovering new improvising toy pianists all the time, so I might be wrong about that. I've forgotten about oh, there we go. So this is a small model of the toy piano that I've brought with me today, a Newcastle. So as you can see, hammers hit metal knobs that are tuned chromatically. They have a distinctive metallic tone when played without preparation or use of extended techniques. And in fact, preparation can be quite difficult. Although I have found that attaching magnets to the tines and somewhat